Are aluminum pans safe? What you need to know. In kitchens across the world, a quiet debate simmers alongside our soups and sautés. At the heart of this culinary controversy lies a material that has been a staple in cookware for generations. Aluminum, lightweight, efficient, and affordable. Aluminum pans have long been a go-to choice for both home cooks and professional chefs. But in recent years, whispers of concern have grown into a clamor of questions about the safety of this ubiquitous kitchen companion. As we stir our pots and flip our pancakes, many of us find ourselves wondering, are we unwittingly exposing ourselves to hidden health risks? The internet buzzes with conflicting information, leaving consumers caught between convenience and caution. Some swear by their trusty aluminum pans, while others have banished them from their kitchens entirely. In this sea of uncertainty, where can we turn for clear, reliable information? Enter KD4U, and let's take a closer look at the facts and myths surrounding aluminum pans to determine if they're truly safe for our everyday cooking needs. We believe that knowledge is the most essential ingredient in any kitchen, and we're committed to serving up the facts you need to make informed decisions about your cookware. The aluminum cookware controversy: separating fact from fiction. Historical context of aluminum in cookware. Aluminum's journey in our kitchens began in the early 20th century, revolutionizing cookware with its lightweight properties and excellent heat conductivity. Initially hailed as a miracle material, aluminum quickly became a staple in households and professional kitchens alike. Its popularity soared due to its affordability and versatility, making it possible for more people to equip their kitchens with durable pots and pans. The rise of health concerns. However, as with many innovations, questions began to surface about the safety of aluminum cookware. In the 1960s and 1970s, studies emerged suggesting a potential link between aluminum exposure and certain health issues, particularly Alzheimer's disease. This sparked a wave of concern among consumers and health professionals, leading to ongoing debates about whether aluminum cookware is safe to use for daily cooking. Understanding aluminum, properties and uses in cookware. 1. Physical and chemical characteristics of aluminum. Aluminum is a remarkable metal with properties that make it ideal for cookware. It's lightweight, an excellent conductor of heat, and resistant to corrosion. These characteristics allow for even heat distribution, quick temperature changes, and ease of handling in the kitchen. However, aluminum is also reactive, especially with acidic foods, which has led to concerns about the amount of aluminum that might leach into food during cooking. 2. Why aluminum is popular in kitchen applications. The popularity of aluminum in kitchens stems from its numerous advantages. Its excellent heat conductivity means that aluminum pots and pans heat up quickly and evenly, reducing hot spots that can lead to burnt food. The lightweight nature of aluminum makes it easy to maneuver, especially for large pots or when cooking for extended periods. Additionally, aluminum cookware is generally more affordable than other options like stainless steel or copper, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers. 3. Different types of aluminum cookware. Not all aluminum cookware is created equal. There are several types available in the market. Raw aluminum cookware, the most basic form, prone to reactivity with acidic foods. Anodized aluminum, treated to create a harder, non-reactive surface. Aluminum with non-stick coatings, combines aluminum's heat conductivity with easy-to-clean surfaces. Aluminum-clad cookware, aluminum core sandwiched between other materials like stainless steel. Understanding these differences is crucial when evaluating the safety and suitability of aluminum cookware for your needs. The science behind aluminum leaching. 1. How aluminum can transfer to food. Aluminum leaching occurs when the metal from cookware dissolves and migrates into food during cooking. This process is more pronounced with acidic foods like tomatoes, citrus fruits, and vinegar-based dishes. The rate of leaching can also be affected by factors such as cooking temperature, duration, and the condition of the cookware's surface. 2. Factors affecting leaching rates. Several factors influence how much aluminum might leach into food. Acidity of the food. Higher acidity increases leaching. Cooking temperature. Higher temperatures can accelerate the process. Cooking time. Longer cooking durations allow for more leaching. Salt content. Salty foods can increase aluminum transfer. Condition of the cookware. Scratched or pitted surfaces may leach more aluminum. 3. Comparison with other cookware materials. When considering aluminum leaching, it's important to compare it with other common cookware materials. Stainless steel, for instance, is generally considered non-reactive but can still release small amounts of nickel and chromium. Cast iron can leach iron into food, which is often seen as beneficial for those with iron deficiencies. Understanding these comparisons helps put aluminum leaching into perspective. Health implications: what the research says. 1. Aluminum and its role in the human body. Aluminum is the third most abundant element in the Earth's crust and is naturally present in our environment, including in some of the foods we eat. The human body has mechanisms to process and excrete small amounts of aluminum. However, concerns arise when exposure exceeds the body's natural ability to eliminate it. 2. Potential risks associated with excessive aluminum intake. Research has explored several potential health risks associated with high aluminum intake. Alzheimer's disease. Some studies have suggested a possible link, though a causal relationship hasn't been definitively established. Kidney issues. In individuals with impaired kidney function, high aluminum levels can accumulate in the body. Bone health. Excessive aluminum may interfere with calcium absorption, potentially impacting bone density. It's important to note that many of these studies involve exposure to much higher levels of aluminum than what typically occurs from cookware use. 3. Current scientific consensus on aluminum cookware safety. The current scientific consensus, supported by regulatory bodies like the FDA and WHO, is that the use of aluminum cookware does not pose significant health risks for most people. The amount of aluminum that leaches into food from cookware is generally considered to be well within safe limits. However, research is ongoing, and recommendations may evolve as new evidence emerges. Anodized aluminum. A safer alternative? The anodization process. Explained: anodization is an electrochemical process that creates a hard, non-reactive surface on aluminum. This process thickens and toughens the naturally occurring oxide layer on the metal's surface. The result is a more durable, scratch-resistant, and non-stick surface that significantly reduces the potential for aluminum leaching. Benefits of anodized aluminum cookware. Anodized aluminum cookware offers several advantages. Reduced reactivity. The anodized surface is non-reactive even with acidic foods. Increased durability. The hardened surface is more resistant to scratches and wear. Non-stick properties. Many anodized pans have natural non-stick qualities without additional coatings. Even heat distribution. Retains aluminum's excellent heat conductivity. Durability and safety comparisons. Compared to raw aluminum, anodized aluminum is generally considered safer for cooking due to its non-reactive surface. It's also more durable, often lasting longer than traditional aluminum cookware. However, it's important to note that while anodized aluminum is more resistant to leaching, it's not completely impervious to wear over time. Cooking practices and aluminum safety. Impact of cooking techniques on aluminum leaching. The way you use aluminum cookware can significantly affect the amount of leaching that occurs. High heat cooking, prolonged simmering of acidic foods, and using metal utensils that can scratch the surface are all practices that can increase aluminum transfer to food. Foods that may increase aluminum transfer. Certain foods are more likely to cause aluminum leaching. Acidic foods, tomatoes, citrus fruits, vinegar-based sauces. Salty dishes. High salt content can accelerate leaching leafy greens. Some vegetables can absorb more aluminum during cooking. Best practices for using aluminum cookware. Safely to minimize potential risks, avoid cooking or storing highly acidic foods in aluminum pans for long periods. Use wooden, silicone, or nylon utensils to prevent scratching. Don't use abrasive cleaners that can damage the surface. Consider using anodized aluminum or aluminum cookware with protective coatings. Alternatives to aluminum cookware. Stainless steel. Pros and cons. Stainless steel is a popular alternative to aluminum, known for its durability and non-reactivity. However, it doesn't conduct heat as efficiently as aluminum and can be more expensive. Cast iron and enameled options. Cast iron cookware offers excellent heat retention and can even provide dietary iron. Enameled cast iron combines these benefits with a non-reactive surface, but tends to be heavier and more expensive than aluminum options. Ceramic and glass cookware considerations. Ceramic and glass cookware are non-reactive and safe for cooking, but they may not distribute heat as evenly as metal options. Final thoughts. As we've journeyed through the intricate world of aluminum cookware, We've uncovered a complex landscape of scientific findings, regulatory stances, and practical considerations. The question of whether aluminum pans are safe doesn't have a simple yes or no answer, but rather depends on a nuanced understanding of the risks and benefits. The scientific consensus suggests that for most people, the use of aluminum cookware poses minimal health risks. The amount of aluminum that leaches into food from cooking utensils is generally well below established safety thresholds. Moreover, innovations like anodized aluminum have further reduced potential concerns. However, it's important to be aware of factors that can increase aluminum transfer, such as cooking acidic foods for long periods or using damaged cookware. Ultimately, the choice of cookware is a personal one, influenced by cooking habits, health concerns, and personal preferences. Meta description: find the truth about aluminum cookware safety, health implications, and best practices for using aluminum pans in your kitchen.